Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your noodle. And today, I got a box, I got it a little wet, but it's alright. This is a special Ippudo gift box that can be found on zenplus.com. Zenplus, a purveyor of really fancy Japanese things like this box. Check that action out. Very cool. And what I'm doing today is this. This is a spicy, what is it? Spicy akamaru. I can't remember what it is, but it's in the title of this video, so that should cover it for you. And I got it right. Yeah. So let's make it happen. It's a miso. It's a spicy miso, and this looks like. It shows it in the pictures going on top. And then this goes on top as well. So we're gonna do up something super special for you. Ow. But literally, you're only supposed to cook this for like seconds, it says. It's really, really short. These are shelf-stable fresh noodles. I mean, it's like, look. I mean, they're like, it looks like freshly made noodle. So in the boil it goes, and it's just gonna kind of barely get any time in on it. We're gonna let it get a little swirled around a little bit. Come on. Come back to that boil. Let's make a ham sandwich. Everybody's a winner. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on. Come on. Come back to the boil. There you go. Okay. So this is going to be one of those that I've got to try after all the plating and stuff. Just because this looks really fancy and hard to plate and hard to try everything without it being plated. Blah, 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 blah. So, let's do this. Fancy style. Fancy Japanese ramen. Keep looking out. I'm going to use this one. Yes. Get you a better shot of it. Oh, we need to put these sachets in here first. That's right. This one goes, these two go last. Wait. This one and that one. Oh. Which is which? These look identical. No, one's narrow. I'm going to go with the smaller one is the special stuff for topping. Okay. Now I'm confused. Well, we'll find out. This is the spicy oil. No, good. And there's this big sucker. Remember, a little time like this, it'll loosen things up, make it come out easier. By massaging your sachets, it's kind of like a laxative. Doesn't that sound like fun? No? So this is supposed to be a fancy miso. I'm guessing it must be a miso tonkatsu. Because this looks like a tonkatsu broth mixture. It could be something else though. So who knows? We do that, we do that. So we'll mix this up. Yeah, I'll go take pictures and then come right back and give it a sampling. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Are you worried? You shouldn't be. Yeah, I'm gonna get you a better shot of the bowl, don't worry. Am I ever correct in my assumption of what you're thinking while you're watching the show? Hey, I want to see that better. Oh, okay, I'm on it. I'm working it. I'm working the action. Am I ever right when I'm like throwing junk like that out there? Let me know in the comments below, or don't. Better yet, just shut up and watch. I don't care. There's that, and now I think this one goes over everything, and the next one goes in a little glob in the middle. So yeah, aren't you supposed to be like a? Maybe I'm wrong. No, I think I'm wrong. I think I've made a crucial mistake and error in thinking. I think maybe I have. Yeah, that's miso. Wait, what is that? It's good. But I think that really deserves a stirring in. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's try this. Ooh, that's interesting. Ooh. Ooby dooby. Okay, now this one, I see a blob with this one, so that's what's happening here. And to make it blobby, I'm gonna try to like just take the corner off and squirt it like a piping gun right in the one spot. Right about there. Come on, sucker. Put it down. Can I make it so you can see? Yeah, you can see this. Oh boy, that's yummy. Holy crap. That has the flavor, folks. Jesus. Wow, and it's spicy. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Most certainly, obviously, a 5 stars on this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we got some, they refer to in Japan as negi. I almost don't want to use these mung bean sprouts. They're just not as wonderful as I'd like them to be. But they can hang out right here. A little squirt of fire. A little bit of the seeds from the land of sesame. Right there. And I think I'm calling it with that. I like that. That looks nice. Yeah, the broth in this is just wow. So let's let Rotato do its thing for a minute. I'll go shoot some photos really quick and then come back and yeah, give the whole spiel a try. Man, I wish you guys could be here to try this, because this is really good. You can get it over at Ippudo, or, what is that website? Zen Plus. Look at this stuff. This stuff is like meaty, chunky wonderment. Oh my god. Oh yeah. This is heaven right here. I swear to you folks, the gods are smiling down upon me. Look at this. And this may very well be one of the best packs of ramen I've ever had. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Slow down, buddy. Slow down. You only got 1,200 calories to play around with a day. Noodle texture is on point. Nice thin gauge. Broth is just full of flavor. And then you've got that mound of just love sludge. I mean, it's like, if you like things like Laogan Ma, if you could get a jar of that, you would cry. You'd be like, this is so freaking good. Wow. Anyways, yeah, go visit zenplus.com, and in the post for this, if you're just seeing the video, the post for it will be coming out soon. So I'm sure they still have it. Go find it, get it. It's wonderful. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.